I am showing this all through science. It is scientifically endorsed, so there is no speculation about it, and it is accessible and very effective within a half hour. I show this in brain scans that we all are born with the same capacity neurologically to enter into any part of our brain. People are able to make a non-dogmatic choice to become happy, strong, healthy. We have shown this already scientifically, how to tap into the immune system, how to tap into the hormonal system, and how to tap into cell level. Recently we had this new study showing how to deal with stress mechanisms. If we name one problem in the world, and especially in the West, it is stress. And we psychologically are not able to prevent our bodies from the impact of stress. We suffer from the stress. We can only go as far. Now, what would happen if we would have a psychology that is able to control the physical impact of stress upon our bodies and mind, mental stress, emotional stress, physical stress, bacterial stress, and changes inoculated after 16,134 same experiments, a controlled endotoxin experiment wherein everybody was injected with the E. coli bacteria, which makes the people sick between 3 and 6 hours. Very sick, like uncontrolled shivering, fever, things like that. Really sick, but controlled. It's after 6 hours, it goes down and you become normal again. It's a controlled experiment. So more than 16,000 people had undergone the same experiment, the same injection of the bacteria, and nobody could fend off the reaction on the immune system caused by the injected E. coli bacteria. That was only the start. We reproduced that study with more people, and we got the same results. We as humans, with our conscious will, are capable of fending off, say, depression, psychosis, fear, trauma, PTSD, anything. We are able to tackle the terrorist because the real terrorist is inside. Through what? Simple techniques of breathing makes you a possible alchemist. The alchemist within. If you are not able to connect with what is going wrong within your own body, using your own mind, then something is wrong. We need to connect on deeper levels, especially with the nowadays stress, or radiation, with neurological stress coming in every day, etc. We have to learn to regulate all this. I've shown in brain scans how to activate 100% of the brain.
100%.
100%.
Because aren't we told we're only using 10% of our brain, Wim? Or 20?
They say 14. I think they do not really know. Maybe it's 16, maybe it's 15, but nothing really more. Consciously, that we are able to activate parts of our brain only for that percentage. And I say, through these breathing techniques, done the right way, we are able to make the blood flow and the neural activity going in all the brain.
Wim, can you take me through one round of breathing, please? Just so people can see what we're talking about. And then if they want to go deeper, they can go see the Wim Hof Method. I know you have a free app and they can really understand it, but I just think it would be powerful for people just to see maybe me do it or you do it, and then they can just see also how simple it is. They just have to take the first step. So, do you mind? Can we do it?
Yeah, of course.
Right,
that is great. We start when we have no air in the lungs.
Okay.
But first we do 30 breaths.
30 breaths, okay.
With that, just follow it. We got all the science done. It does amazing stuff in the body. We are blowing off carbon dioxide, make the body alkaline, get into the lymphatic system. There's so much happening here, right here. We will go into the deepest part of the brain. We will go into the bone marrow. We will influence the DNA, and all because of a very simple technique. 30 breaths,
Yeah.
fully in and letting go.
Okay.
So you take them fully in. This is fully in and letting go.
Through the mouth.
Simple, eh?
Through the mouth.
Mouth, nose.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Take it easy. It is simple. Take it light and do it all.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Here
There we go.
Okay.
Fully in
Okay.
and letting go. Fully in. Letting go. You're probably gonna feel tingling. It's good. Just go on. Carbon dioxide is being blown off. Go like Brian. Fully in, letting go. Fully in, letting go. Body is becoming alkaline. Carbon dioxide goes down. Yes. The adrenal axis is coming into play. Amazing how the body is going to reset. Oh, he's going good. Yes. You guys, you all see it is simple, yet very effective. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully in and letting go. And stop. No smuggling. Tingling is there. Just relax. Be the witness. Must feel a rush in your brain, in your body. The tingling is there. Hemoglobin is going up. That is what makes the tingling. It's your nervous system at work. We are going into the autonomic nervous system, slowly but surely. Why? Because we don't breathe after the out breath. The deepest part in the brain is noticing there is no oxygen coming in. He is not breathing. That is the primitive brain. And then the primitive brain makes a signal to the adrenal axis. That is hypothalamus, pituitary gland, adrenal glands. And it resets the body. He's 115, 120 almost without having a need to breathe. Whenever you feel the need to breathe, you take him fully in and hold. But not yet. Yes? Take him fully in and hold. Hold. Close mouth and squeeze to your head and have a nice time. Let it go. Okay, relax. Whenever you do this is of course entering without breathing after the out breath. It's very stressful for the primitive brain, yet you felt very comfortable. What happened was that you produced more adrenaline here, sitting like this, than somebody going into its first bungee jump. It has been compared in the blood samples showing that this technique makes the body's adrenal axis go more than somebody going into its first bungee jump. That means a reset of the body. Because the principle of our primitive brain, our prehistoric brain, was to fend off danger. And danger can come in many ways nowadays, but we don't see it, we don't feel it. We are not connected. Thus it doesn't work. Thus the bacteria comes in, the depression comes in, the virus comes in, the oxidative stress comes in, and it does all its negative work. And we do not know how to fend it off because the deepest part of the brain is not connected. And this is the way to reconnect with the deepest part of the brain. Thus it will help you during the day when stress comes in. When you are of God and doing your work, then still your primitive brain is able to detect all the stresses and to fend it off.